Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be tackling my room. It's a bit of a mess, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I say this in every clean with me, but it's true. It is 1:20 in the afternoon. I have quite literally just rolled out of bed, but I didn't want to be moping around in bed all day. I went out last night, so I'm very tired, but I felt the need to be productive and clean because I hate living in a mess. So I hope you guys enjoy. Feel free to give a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button whilst you're down there, and let's get on with cleaning. I am well and truly disgusted with the way that my room looks, but I'm going to give you a little overview anyway. It is really disgusting. Ugh. So if you haven't seen my room before, this is the mirror. Actually, let's put it on wide angle. So I'm filming this on my phone purely so I can use the wide angle, but basically this is the room. Ta-da! It is an absolute mess. I have clothes everywhere, getting ready items everywhere. My bed's not made. My bedside table is a mess. I haven't washed the pots from last night's tea. My bathroom is a state from when I was getting ready last night. So I think we just need to fix this. I'm going back home tomorrow for a few days. I've got the hiccups. I am going back home tomorrow for a few days, and I really like to make sure my room's clean before I leave. So then when I come back, it's all nice and clean and I don't really have to do anything. So yeah, that's why we're gonna try and clean it today. Let's get started.
Did you notice I've been lost, staying up to the break of dawn, hoping that you'll show a little warmth, but you know I feel the coldest when I'm wrapped around your finger. Did you notice that you put me through the wrinkle when you said that you needed solace that I can't offer you? I found the light in all this, something to get me through. Now every day is a challenge, top down, blowing smoke out. It's not good for my balance. It sounds great, but I'm burnt out. Cause now the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be all I am, cause leaving me so lonely.
Okay, oh my god, this sounds really annoying. Basically, underneath my bedside table, I have this, which basically just has everything that I kind of need. Like if I want to reach for when I'm in bed, or, you know, just things like that. But over the past few weeks, it's just kind of compiled of a load of rubbish. So I've just gone through and kind of sorted that out. I then got this little like container thing from one of my drawers over there. So now I've put in like all my tablets and stuff that are on my bedside table, just so that they're easier to reach for when they're in this, rather than me having to rummage around. I know that they're all going to be in this little box, so very helpful. Okay, so the majority of this area is all done. I've tidied up and organised my bedside table. Oh my god, ignore my dead plants, I'm so sad. I'm trying to revive them, but I really don't know if it's going to happen. So if anyone knows how we can fix that, I literally went home and I made sure I watered them before I left, but I think I was just away too long. So now they're a bit dead. That one should literally be stuck up like that, and it's really not. And then over here, I've done my desk. That is all tidy. I've put things away in like their drawers. I mean, they're not very organized, but at least it's clean. I've put my clothes away. I've just hung my coat and my bag on the doors of my wardrobe for now. Down here, I've got the 2 pairs of shoes that I wear the most. Obviously, hi, this is me. The next job is to tackle the kitchen. That is a state, and also the bathroom. From when I was getting ready the other day, I've just kind of got my makeup everywhere. So that's the plan. That is basically my room all clean. I hope you enjoyed. Ta-da! She is all nice and tidy and organised. Woohoo! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give a thumbs up. I've got very scuffly shoes on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe while you're down there. And I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Goodbye. I have a clean room.